How to add multiple videos on TikTok. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll simply guide you on how you can add multiple videos on TikTok, so make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to add multiple videos on TikTok, let's say that you're trying to post a video or something as such, and then you open the TikTok app, you want to select many videos and then edit them all together. It's very simple. Now one way you can do this is by just tapping the plus icon from the bottom and then just going to the upload button here and then going to the videos tab and then selecting the videos that you would like to upload in this case. So you can just go ahead and choose the option called select multiples. So from the bottom you can say select multiple, just select that and then make sure to select the videos that you want to add. This will automatically add multiple videos and then it'll just tap the next option in order to be able to load those. But let's say there are more videos in the process that you might want to add and edit them. For that case, you can just tap the little templates icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the templates icon, you'll be able to see all this and then you should be able to edit them respectively. And that's it on how you can go ahead and then add multiple videos on TikTok. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.